Hi everyone, this is Kate here and I welcome you to our YouTube channel, and I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to block YouTube channels on YouTube. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. First of all, if you are on your desktop, just open YouTube and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, in order to block a YouTube channel, suppose say I want to block this channel right here, tap on that channel. Once you are at home page of channel, the first thing that you have to make sure is that you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. If you have subscribed, simply unsubscribe it and then again go back. So at that channel you will see three dot icon, so click on there and a dialog box will appear. Here you will see an option that says not interested and do not recommend channel. So when you click on do not recommend channel, you have blocked that YouTube account and now you will not be able to see any of the videos from that account, and in this way you have successfully blocked that account on YouTube. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, hit the notification bell icon, comment down below, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.